The industry has seen a significant shortage in newcomers into the industry, and we're seeing a lot of people that are exiting, and there's not a lot of interest in joining the industry. So to address that labor shortage gap, we are partnering up with the San Antonio Housing Authority here locally to train some of the individuals that are part of the community.
Building Talent Foundation has had a relationship with Sherwin-Williams for some time now, as well as PCA. I knew that this was going to be the perfect partnership with San Antonio Housing Authority because of the participants that they have in their program. When we learned about it, Building Talent Foundation was extremely excited to be able to partner and make this happen. We had 12 participants who started and 11 who got to graduate.
We do a 6-7 hour presentation on the basics of what is paint, where paint's used, what kind of paint to use where. Surface preparation is a focus. We talk about caulks and sealants. We talk about ladder safety. We talk about job site safety. We have what we call our RRP training session, restoration, repair, and paint. And that's taught by a certified instructor. At the end of that day, they take a 25-question multiple choice test, and then they're RRP certified. The great thing is that all 11 folks passed the test, which is an outstanding achievement. They left on Thursday being able to finish a project and making it look better than what it did when they went in there.
When you think about painting, you think about renewal, about creating a fresh space of newness, of change, freshness. And so I think that for our residents, that is what they're trying to do. They're trying to start anew.
I was actually just responding to a message my sister sent me. I just clicked on the link and it looked like something I was really interested in.
I'm not worried about the rest of the area, so who wants to go ahead and finish that off?
My favorite thing was the proper way to roll a room. There's a certain pattern you have to follow to optimize the amount of paint you're spreading.
Learning the basics of these skills, I would say would take me as far as a better job, better opportunities, better benefits, even possibly starting my own business.
Up until I took this program, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. This course gave me an opportunity to go out and be able to work with the painting crew. I've already got an offer given to me, so I'm hoping to get well-rounded in all of that and eventually be able to go off on my own.
On graduation day, they walked away with a backpack donated by Purdy filled with supplies, and it wasn't just the big pocket. Every single pocket had some type of supply to give away for these graduates. We wanted to be able to have these participants not just gain this knowledge and the certification, we wanted to give them an opportunity to be able to connect with different employers in the painting trade. So we had 6 total companies that were here with us today, and most of them were painting contractors. They had some that were kind of maintenance through San Antonio Housing Authority. There were so many different partnerships that took place in this to be able to make this happen. As a contractor, all you would have to do is visit our website. You can click on contact me or email me. It'll be directed to somebody, and that person will direct contractors to the correct individual in the right market that you are looking for.
With this program, not only has the door open, I feel like a whole wall has been blasted out.